In today's show, Bitcoin will dominate the 21st century and has zero threats to existence, according to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. That's right, he says Bitcoin is set to dominate the next century as its network rapidly grows. In a new interview with Kitco News, he goes on to share, Bitcoin is the fastest growing, most disruptive force in the world right now. Objectively speaking, it went from $0 to $1 trillion in 12 years. That makes it the most disruptive tech in your lifetime, in my lifetime, more disruptive than Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Google, more disruptive than anything in our lifetime. I'll be breaking down the highlights from this interview for you right here in today's show and checking out the latest from Max Keiser. He tweeted, Bitcoin climbs a wall of state and central bank worry. With every major economy and central bank expressing their growing worry about BTC, it's easy to see how BTC gets to $1 million per Bitcoin. He also goes on to tweet, Bitcoin is not volatile when priced in Bitcoin. Don't be fooled by fiat money volatility against BTC. He's right. Also in today's show, here's what's next for Dogecoin and XRP, according to analysts who called Bitcoin's big correction. That's right, Dogecoin just broke out to a new all-time high this morning, touching 74 cents, and XRP just broke out of a 3-year slumber more recently. And Alex Saunders says he's predicting that both are headed for drastic moves, and he gives a warning to all Doge holders. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. Also in today's episode, here's how to find 100x altcoins, according to analysts. Alex Saunders, he's offering tips to investors probing the crypto markets for altcoins with the potential surge to 100x. Also in today's episode, Bloomberg analyst calls this Bitcoin bull run tame and predicts how high BTC can go this year. That's right, Bitcoin's post-halving bull run is tame compared to the previous cycles, according to new analysis from Bloomberg. In the May issue of the Bloomberg Crypto Outlook monthly newsletter, Mike McGlone goes on to share the 15x price gain in 2017 was about 1/3 of 2013's advance. A similar fraction of the 2017 surge would translate to a price just above $100,000 in 2021. And other than Bitcoin's continued maturation, conditions aren't much different now. I'll be breaking this down for you in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and most of the major altcoins are currently breaking out and in the green. But where's the Bitcoin price likely to go next? Find out all this, plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every single day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. And before I kick off today's show, I want to give a special shout out to Femex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform. Here you can trade all the top cryptocurrency pairs, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and EOS. And they recently added 8 new coins, including a relisting of XRP, including Basic Attention Token, better known as BAT, Chiliz, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Sushi Swap, Synthetics, Graph, and Maker. And they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $600 deposit bonus by using my referral link in the description right down below. Here's how it works. You'll receive a $100 welcome bonus plus a $500 additional bonus for using my referral link. It's very simple to get started. You'll notice my link in the description right down below. Once you click it, it'll take you here and you'll notice the invitation code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below, register today, claim your bonus, and let's start stacking those sats, shall we? All right, welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV. We have a lot to cover, so let's dive right in. MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor says Bitcoin is set to dominate the next century as its network rapidly grows. In a new interview with Kitco News, Saylor addresses Bitcoin's place in the global economic landscape going forward, claiming that the Bitcoin standard is the 21st century solution to the problem of finding a non-sovereign store of value that doesn't derive in value from cash flow. Quoting him from this interview, I think Bitcoin is going to be the emergency strong money store of value asset in the 21st century. I think it's pretty clear that it has won this space. There are 8 billion people that need a strong money or monetary asset if they're going to live a decent life. That asset needs to be digital and needs to flow to 8 billion mobile wallets. The noted Bitcoin bull, whose company now holds $4.5 billion worth of Bitcoin on its own balance sheet, says Bitcoin is a disruptive force unlike any other major tech company or innovation of the past century. Bitcoin is the fastest growing, most disruptive force in the world right now. Objectively speaking, it went from $0 to $1 trillion in 12 years. That makes it the most disruptive tech in your lifetime, in my lifetime, more disruptive than Amazon, Apple, Facebook, and Google, more disruptive than anything in our lifetime. That, my friend, is a fact. The CEO also says there's a common misconception that Bitcoin should be viewed as a currency and therefore could compete with national currencies. Saylor notes that it is more accurately described as a crypto asset and such poses much less of a threat to fiat currencies than stablecoins. Once you understand that Bitcoin is a crypto asset, then you understand it's that's not competing with the US dollar and the euro. Bitcoin is competing with gold and silver and ETFs, better known as exchange traded funds, and stocks. Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman, said 2 weeks ago, yeah, it's digital gold. That, my friend, is a fact as well. Large governments are going to be concerned with stablecoins, like the ability to move billions of dollars of euros on a crypto rail, or the ability to move billions of dollars of US dollars on a crypto rail. That's going to draw the interest of the banks because currency is the provenance of the bankers and the government, and they're going to be concerned about controlling their currency. That's why we see all the FUD in the media all the time. And when asked directly what he believes is the biggest looming threat to Bitcoin's success, Saylor says simply, I don't think there is one. And contrary to Saylor's opinion, quantum computing expert Andrew Firstman believes that Bitcoin one day is at the mercy of quantum attacks as computers grow more powerful. Quoting him here, it's mathematically proven that if you have a device that looks like the kind of quantum computers that people want to build, then you will be capable of decrypting this information significantly better than could ever be possible with classical devices. And additionally, Bitcoin has faced questions regarding the environmental impacts of its mining process. And this week, the New York Senate introduced a bill proposing that Bitcoin mining facilities in upstate New York be shut down unless a full assessment of the adverse effects of the mining process can be completed. All right, now let me address this FUD, which we all know this is. Let's just keep it real. When it comes to quantum computing attacks, we all know that the Bitcoin network will continue to grow stronger the larger the market cap goes. If they can't do it now, they're more than likely never going to be able to do it in the future. Just saying. And regarding the environmental impact being bad from Bitcoin mining, we all know that's FUD as well. The only reason they're attacking Bitcoin is because Bitcoin is attacking the central banking system. It's direct attack on the central bank, as Max Keiser always talks about. And speaking about Max Keiser, checking out his most recent tweets, Bitcoin climbs a wall of state and central bank worry. With every major economy and central bank expressing their growing worry about BTC, it's easy to see how BTC gets to $1 million. That's right, I predict a $1 million Bitcoin price by 2025. It's inevitable. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments below. He also tweeted, Bitcoin is not volatile when priced in Bitcoin, so don't be fooled by fiat money volatility against BTC. That's right, if you hold one Bitcoin, that value is always going to be one Bitcoin. We need to stop comparing Bitcoin to US dollars because there is no comparison whatsoever. And before I break down our next stories of the day, here's what's next for Dogecoin and XRP, according to analysts who called Bitcoin's big correction, as well as here's how to find 100x altcoins, according to analyst Alex Saunders, as well as Bloomberg analysts calling this Bitcoin bull run tame and predicting how high Bitcoin can go this year. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market. As you can see, Bitcoin is up 2.5%, breaking out, trading just under $59,000. We have Ethereum up about 2%, trading above 3,500. And who let the Doge out? A new all-time high it touched this morning of 74 cents and is currently up 20%, trading above 72 cents. We have Chainlink about even, trading at about $48, and Binance coin barely in the green, trading just above 630 bucks. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day. In a conversation with Ticker News, Saunders discusses the effect that Elon Musk, hosting the popular US sketch show Saturday Night Live, will have on the price of Dogecoin. Quoting him here, Elon Musk has been one of the people tweeting about Doge a lot. He's on Saturday Night Live with a massive show in America, and so there's still all this speculation that he's going to talk about Dogecoin, and there's a bit of trending meme that Dogecoin to $1 that actually started when Dogecoin was a couple of cents, and now today I think we've hit 60 something or 70 cents, so it's incredible. It's in a bubble at the moment. It's going to pop, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's a sell the news event. So maybe we do hit $1, but I think it's going to pop before this Saturday Night Live that everyone is looking forward to and hyping up. Do you feel Dogecoin is likely to pop before this evening when Elon Musk appears on Saturday Night Live? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. While instinctually Saunders believes Dogecoin will plummet, he says that the asset has gained some legitimacy in popular media as Shark Tank star and Mavericks owner Mark Cuban started accepting Dogecoin payments at his team events and online store. And even though Doge is still a joke among those in the crypto space, notes Saunders, perhaps he is wrong and it will have some staying power in society. And as for how the Dogecoin mania will affect other top crypto assets, Saunders says that XRP is due for a massive leg up amid retail-led trading. He goes on to share, and still 100% to go to previous all-time high. The same retail money that's chasing Doge will soon chase XRP. It's that one time every 4 years I believe XRP has a good chance to pump the hardest. Now let's check out XRP's market cap, currently sitting above $55 billion. We have Dogecoin, which more recently surpassed it, currently at $91 billion, just under Binance coin, which is sitting at $96 billion. When do you feel that Dogecoin is likely to flip on BNB? Let me know your thoughts in the comments right down below, as Dogecoin is destined to become the third largest cryptocurrency in the world. It may happen this weekend. And before I break down our next story of the day, here's how to find 100x altcoins according to analysts Alex Saunders, as well as Bloomberg analyst calls this Bitcoin bull run tame and predicts how high Bitcoin can go this year. But first, let's take a quick look at the overall crypto market cap, sitting at an all-time high of above $2.4 trillion with $229 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, and Bitcoin dominance at 45.2%, with the Ether dominance at 16.9%, and the current Bitcoin market cap just under $1.1 trillion, with the Ethereum market cap just above $400 billion. Now checking out the top gainers within the top 100, we have Shiba up a whopping 200%, Bitcoin Diamond up 53%, trading at $9.47, Bakery Token up 25%, trading at $6.85, Horizon up 24%, trading at $157, and Phantom up 23%, trading at 90 cents. Now checking out the top losers within the top 100, we have QTUM down 21%, trading at $25, OMG Network down 15%, trading at $12, Ethereum Classic still up almost 200% for the week, but down 16% for the day, trading at $116, EOS down 13%, trading at $10.29, and Verge, a privacy coin, down 12%, trading at 6.9 cents. Now out of this list of the biggest gainers and losers, which altcoins are you currently most bullish on during this bull run? Let me know in the comments right down below. Now checking out one of my favorite indicators is the Crypto Greed and Fear Index. Shows we're currently rated a 67 in greed. Yesterday was a 64, last week a 68, and last month a 73 in greed. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign investors are too worried. That can be a great buying opportunity, aka BTFD, buy that freaking dip. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. All right, now let's break down our next story of the day, shall we? Crypto analyst Alex Saunders is offering tips to investors, probing the crypto markets for altcoins with the potential to surge 100x. Now here's a real life example. If you invested $1,000 into a coin which 100x, you'd then have a $100,000 ROI. In a new interview with Austin and Aaron Arnold of Altcoin Daily, Saunders tells the pair's 719,000 subscribers that one of the first things he looks for when researching a crypto project is if it's led by a solid group of individuals. Saunders mentions Red Fox Labs, known as RFox, which has already appreciated by 2,263% from 1.1 cents in October to its current value of 26 cents as a project he's invested in that has the quality management team in place. Quoting him here, "I've got literally a cheat sheet checklist that I sort of go through. Red Fox Labs was a good, strong team. I knew one of the leaders. Personally, the crypto analyst also favors projects that are serving an untapped market rather than those operating in saturated subsectors," quoting him again here. So Red Fox Labs is based in Vietnam. So again, that Asian region is just fast growing, high mobile usage. They're just like begging for the Ubers and Airbnbs and all these apps, you know? The digital economy there is just booming. So that's a big space that's just free to be disrupted, more so than trying to go in and gain market share and users in America. A, there's no one there already, and B, the population's way bigger, so there's a huge opportunity there. A well-diversified business is important, according to Saunders, as illustrated by Red Fox Labs, which has the presence in niches such as non-fungible tokens, better known as NFTs, and decentralized finance, better known as DeFi. Quoting him here, Red Fox are in the gaming and NFTs, which is kind of their initial focus. It's flavor of the month at the moment in the crypto world. They've got the DeFi aspects of it. Then you've got, as I said, I don't know many projects that have that multi-sort of narrative or subsector potential. And Saunders adds that a low valuation is key, as it leaves a lot of headroom for the price to increase, quoting him here. And when you look at something that's a $300,000 market cap, if you find anything that's, you know, probably these days under 10 million and you think it's a pretty good quality project, they're sort of the things I look to invest in because all it requires is for other people to find out about them. The crypto analyst, however, warns against investing in projects that have already rallied massively, quoting him again. Actually tell people not to ever buy something that's gone up 100x or 1000x because you're starting to get pretty late to the party at that point. I'll include this video in the show notes below the video in the description. And before I break down our final story of the day, Bloomberg analyst calls this Bitcoin bull run tame and predicts how high Bitcoin can go this year. But first, I want to remind you to smash that show more button right below this video in the description for a detailed analysis of what's going on in the crypto market. This goes for all 775 plus videos right here on my YouTube channel. Also have some very helpful resources for you to plug into, including my daily letter, which goes out to over 30,000 subscribers every single day. Visit letter.cryptonewsalerts.net. Also have a blog I update daily, which could be found at cryptonewsjess.com. Also be sure to smash that subscribe button right below this video in the description to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. You can also find me on all the major podcasts and platforms, from Spotify, the home of the Joe Rogan Experience, to Apple's iTunes. You can also follow me on Twitter. My Twitter handle is Crypto News Yes. And for those of you on Facebook, I do have a private crypto Facebook group entitled Crypto Alchemy. To join it, click this link, request to join. I'll be sure to plug you in. And for those of you active on Telegram as I am, I do have a private crypto Telegram chat, which is uncensored. To join it, click this link. You'll automatically be added, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you personally on the inside. And for those of you on TikTok, be sure to follow me there. All right, now let's break down our final story of the day. Bitcoin's post-halving bull run is tame compared to the previous cycles, according to new analysis from Bloomberg. In the May issue of the Bloomberg Crypto Outlook monthly newsletter, senior commodity strategist Mike McGlone argues Bitcoin's increasing clout and presence in the mainstream has put the leading crypto on a more subdued path. That's right. Nevertheless, the analyst predicts that the flagship crypto is set to push higher. Quoting him in this report, Bitcoin at about double in 2021 to May 4th is tame if post-supply cut years are a guide. What's different this time is the crypto's transition into the mainstream, which should result in a more subdued path. We may look back at 2021 as a price adjustment period to a higher, more sustainable plateau. And per the newsletter, if Bitcoin's price catches up to the pace of 2017, the leading crypto by market cap will hit at least six figures this year. Quoting him again right here, the 15x price gain in 2017 was about 1/3 of 2013's advance. A similar fraction of the 2017 surge would translate to a price just above $100,000 in 2021. And other than Bitcoin's continued maturation, conditions aren't much different now. Bloomberg says that the key factors that could propel Bitcoin higher include the entry of institutional investors and loose monetary policies being pursued by central banks around the world. Quoting again in this report, supply is shrinking and demand is rising. Unlike speculative rallies in the past, the risk for traditional investors has tilted towards failing to allocate some assets to Bitcoin. Diminishing supply juxtaposed with historically low interest rates and the substantial amount of money being pumped into the system form a solid foundation for the price appreciation of the firstborn crypto if the rules of economic supply. So there you have it. Let me know if you agree or disagree that the Bitcoin price will surpass $100,000 this year in 2021. I feel it will do so effortlessly. Let's not forget the all-time high is currently at about $65,000, and all we have to do is 2x, and all of a sudden it's a $130,000 Bitcoin price. I like Max Keiser's year-end prediction of $220,000 per BTC. Let me know if you agree or disagree in the comments right down below. Now for a quick recap, what I cover with you right here in today's show. Bitcoin will dominate the 21st century and has zero threats to existence, according to MicroStrategy's Michael Saylor. Also, as Max Keiser points out, Bitcoin climbs the wall of state and central bank worry. With every major economy and central bank expressing their growing worry about BTC, it's easy to see how BTC gets to $1 million. I couldn't agree more. He also shares that Bitcoin is not volatile when priced in Bitcoin, so don't be fooled by fiat money volatility against BTC. That, my friend, is a fact. Also in today's show, I shared here's what's next for Dogecoin and XRP, according to the analyst who called Bitcoin's big correction. Also in today's show, I shared here's how to find 100x altcoins, according to analyst Alex Saunders. Also in today's show, I shared Bloomberg's analyst calls this Bitcoin bull run tame and predicts how high Bitcoin can go this year. So where do you feel the Bitcoin price is likely to go next? Let me know in the comments right down below. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in and journeying along with me inside this incredible crypto matrix. If you gain value out of today's show, be sure to smash that subscribe button. That's right, and turn on all notifications to receive daily premium crypto news alerts every single day, including weekends, just like this. And real quick before I go, I want to give a special shout out to Femex, the fastest crypto exchange and futures trading platform where you can trade all the top cryptocurrency pairs, including Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and EOS. And they recently released 8 new coins, including a relisting of XRP, which include Basic Attention Token, Chiliz, Decentraland, Engine Coin, Sushi Swap, Synthetics, Graph, and Maker. And they have a special promo running right now where you can receive up to a $600 deposit bonus. Here's how it works. Use my referral link in the description right down below, and you'll receive a $100 welcome bonus plus an additional $500 bonus for using my link. It's very simple. Once you click that link, it'll take you here. You'll notice the invitation code already pre-populated for you to take advantage of this special bonus. So what are you waiting for? Click the link right down below. Claim your bonus of up to $600. Let's start stacking those sats, and I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.